Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I have some new Bath & Body Works spring to share with you. I picked up a few new scents from my store yesterday. They're always so kind and they do sometimes let me buy stuff early. They don't even know I have a channel. They're just really nice about it because a lot of other stores I ask always say no. But my store did have some of the new spring collections in. You guys know I shared the champagne brunch collection already like last week on my channel, and this is now online, so you guys can order this, which is awesome. If you guys have rewards to use, I would definitely use it on these. I don't know if it will be in stores. I've heard rumors maybe on Monday, but I also heard rumors maybe on Fridays, like next week. So we really don't know yet when exactly this will be. But if you're kind of wondering, maybe check your stores on Monday to see if they put it out, because semi-annual sale is kind of wrapping up here. But yes, I did kind of go over my thoughts on this collection already, but I have even more new stuff to share with you. I have just a few body care things and a few candles. So let's go ahead and get started. So as I mentioned, I was so excited to see this collection online, and a special surprise, Coconut Cream Pie is an online exclusive scent this year. You guys remember in my video, I was talking about how I thought it would be perfect for this collection, and I'm so sad it wasn't back for like the bakery collection, and they did bring it back online. So you know, I went ahead and ordered that with some of my rewards, as well as some of the other items in this collection, like the body creams that I did not pick up since I only bought the sprays in these. So those are on the way, and I can't wait to share my thoughts on those. They also have a bunch of the new spring candles on the website too. They are currently doing a $10 off candle sale, which isn't the best deal, but that might be what we're gonna get for the next while. I don't know how much better it's gonna get than that. I know most of their really good candle sales are towards the end of the year, and now that it is a new year, I'm not sure what the prices are gonna look like. So if there's any that you're really wanting, I mean, just go ahead and snag them. I know the prices are rising though to like $26.95, so that makes them still like $16 for a candle. And then those really pretty glass jar ones are $29, like it's almost $30, which is kind of insane. But yeah, I have been doing some exchanges with some candles I'm just not using because I'm like, oh, I don't want to pay that price yet. So I've been doing some exchanges lately, and I do have a few to share with you. So let me just start with the candles because I really don't have a lot. I just picked up 3, and I had to get this collection. One of my stores had it out the other day. I picked up the Lavender Marshmallow candle from this collection. This is such an iconic scent. I fell in love with this when it first came out years and years ago. Like, I don't even know what year it was, 2014, 2015 maybe. I've been doing Bath & Body Works videos since 2011, so we are like an Bath & Body Works OG over here. I just had to have this packaging. I do have a couple backups of this already because it's one of my favorites, and you just never know when it's going to come back. We've seen it like every few years, it seems, so it's not like an every year kind of thing, but it is so delectable. This is a pure lavender and marshmallow scent, like just as what it sounds. It is delicious. You do have to like lavender for this, but it is an ultra sweet lavender. This has notes of fluffy marshmallow, a touch of lavender, and fresh vanilla bean, and it is just absolutely incredible. And this packaging this year, it has to be my favorite one of all. I know the original was pretty cute too, where it had these little sugared marshmallows on the packaging, but this takes the cake for cute packaging. So I did pick that one up. Also in that same collection, I got the Prosecco and Peaches, which also has that same packaging in this peach color. This one I was just burning a little bit ago to kind of get a feel for how it performs. I do like to give you guys like a mini review if I can, and this smells like peach rings to me. I think it's delicious. I love peach scents, and this one is so good. I think it performs well too. I bought the Winter or Hope Peach Marshmallow or whatever during the Candle Day sale, and I didn't love how that one performed. It just turned a bit off when it was burning. This one is bright and fruity, and I really enjoy it. The notes are bubbly champagne, juicy peach, and a hint of vanilla. I don't get a ton of the champagne, But truly this smells like peach rings candy, and I think it's so good. And the last candle that I picked up is the Positively Sweet Dark Chocolate Truffles. This one is absolutely stunning. I just had to try it. I was just burning this one as well in my room here, and it smells amazing. I definitely want backups of this. And it's not really what you would expect. The notes are rich chocolate, gooey butterscotch, and candied cherry. And sometimes cherry scents can be hit or miss, and I really don't get a lot of cherry in here. I almost get this like super fruity, almost Fruit Loops kind of scent from this, but mixed with chocolate, which sounds weird, but it's really nice. I'm really liking this one. When it was burning, it really did smell like a fruity cereal to me, and I really enjoy this, so I would recommend it. It seemed to be pretty strong too, so yeah, I definitely want more of that one. So those three were really good hits for me. I did haul a few other candles in my last video, which I have not tried yet, but I'll see if I can update you guys soon on those. Maybe when I go into the stores when they have the floor set up, I'll let you guys know how those performed. But let's move on to body care. So I just wanted to quick do an overview of the Champagne Brunch collection while we are here. So you guys know I talked about the pear creme brulee. These are now online. A lot of people seem to be loving this one. I do think it is really nice, but I think I'm really gonna like it even more in the body cream. I think Tina Marie said that it's even better in the body cream possibly, and the spray just has a ton of pear in it. It's a very like bright fresh pear, and it dries down to more of that whipped cream and caramelized sugar kind of scent, and it is really pretty. I would say it's definitely my favorite from the line, but I said this earlier that it can be hit or miss. You really have to like pear to enjoy this fragrance, but I do think it is good if you guys do like gourmands. That was definitely the hit of the collection. The rest of the collection was kind of meh for me, but I did pick up something new that I did not review yet, and that is the Peach Prosecco Macaron, and this one is a winner for me. So it definitely amped up the collection a little bit more for me, since I do like this one, because the whipped berry meringue, this is a repackage of some things I already have, like the cotton candy clouds and the boardwalk taffy. So I wasn't like super excited about this one, but I know so many people love it and want to get back up, so you would probably like that if you enjoy those scents. And then the bubbly rosé I also have, which I misplaced. I did go ahead and buy the cream of that today to see if it's a little bit more sweeter. I think someone commented that the bubbly rosé cream is phenomenal, so I was like, okay, let me try that, because the spray is so tart for me. I just don't think I love it in body care, but I do love it in the candle, so I'm a little iffy on that one. But yes, I did grab the new Peach Prosecco Macaron. I did share the hand sanitizing spray in my last video and kind of gave a review on that, and I have to say this is definitely way better in the body cream than the hand sanitizer. The hand sanitizer had a ton of Prosecco in it, very peachy Prosecco, and this one I get a lot more of the creamy macaroon in it, at least in the body cream. I did not buy the spray because again, I heard that the body cream was better, so that's what I wanted to try first, but I did pick up the spray online today, and I just want to go ahead and share my thoughts on this one. So the notes are peach Prosecco, vanilla cream, and macaroon cookie, or macaron. I don't know how you say that correctly. This is gorgeous. It is very peachy, so you have to like peach scents, but it is so good. It's very sweet, like a creamy peach and vanilla. It actually reminds me a lot of that peach vanilla tea candle that's out right now. If you guys have smelled that one, that's what it really reminds me of. It's different than the Hope Winter Peach Marshmallow, and it's also different than the Pretty as a Peach from Bath and Body Works. It's just a really sweet creamy peach scent. I actually like this better than the Hope scent because I feel like this is stronger and I get more peach notes. The Hope was so light on me. I just did not care for wearing it because I had to spray like half a bottle to get a good throw out of it, and this is stunning. It might be my favorite peach that Bath and Body Works has done yet for body care, so I'm really impressed, but it does have more of an authentic peach while the Hope is more of a peaches and cream. This still has a creamy essence to it, but you definitely get more of that peach vibe. I don't get a lot of Prosecco in the cream, which I'm liking a little bit more. So that's my thoughts on that one. I think it's definitely a win, especially in the cream, but I have not tried the spray yet. All right, now I have two brand new scents to talk about. These are not out yet. They're not online either. This is from the Fresh Laundry collection, which I was so curious in trying. I've been loving a lot of very fresh scents lately. I think my go-tos are definitely bakery gourmand scents, and then I love a fresh scent. So I had to pick these up and see for myself, although one of them has been out before, but it's been very hard to get, and so many people have been waiting for this to come back. So we have, let's just start off with white t-shirt. This one should be coming out shortly, probably more towards the end of the month. I think it releases either with the Champagne Brunch collection or a little bit after, maybe a week after or so. But I think there's 3 scents in the line. There's another little mini spray that's a different scent that I just don't know the notes of, and I forgot to ask for it when I was there. But white t-shirt is back. This was like a test scent that ended up at not this past holiday semi-annual sale, but the year before at certain locations, and it was so impossible to find. I actually found a shower gel in it, so that is all I have from the original scent, and it's been highly talked about, especially by Living Ash here on YouTube. I feel like she definitely hyped this fragrance up and really got the hype going for it. It is a really nice laundry scent that I think a lot of you guys will definitely want to pick up. I think it was originally supposed to be unisex, but I don't know. I don't get like cologne vibes or anything like that, but I have to share the original white t-shirt. I think these are the same notes too. So yeah, it has crisp pear, fresh white t-shirt, lavender cloud, clean musk, and soft sandalwood. So the exact same notes as last year's. And like I said, I just have the shower gel and I've been savoring it. But this really is my favorite shower gel when I want to smell just so clean. It's hard for me to compare because I didn't have the spray of last year's version, but last year's shower gel is definitely a lot more unisex, and it's more of that like very soapy, fresh and clean scent. It's one of the best scents for the shower in my opinion if you just want to smell clean. So that's a little bit about that, but I feel like the fragrance mist, at least this new version, it smells a lot more kind of wearable, like as a perfume. There's just definitely more essence in this one, I feel like. And I just love it so much, you guys. I was unsure if I would love it in the mist as much as I do the shower gel, but I'm glad they changed it up a bit in the mist to make it more of a fresh perfume, because it's absolutely stunning, and I really love this scent. It's totally different than one of my other favorites, which is Beachfront Blanket. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this just to kind of compare. Beachfront Blanket has more, I feel like, sweetness to it. More of like a summery kind of scent. It must be the summer sun rays. It just smells more beachy. And this one, I feel like just smells more, I don't know, perfumey, if that makes sense. It must be maybe the pear mixed with the soft sandalwood. But it's really so pretty. I absolutely love it. Like, this is a must-have in my opinion. It does smell different than the room spray too. The room spray smells more authentic to the shower gel, where it's just a true laundry scent. But oh my goodness, I'm sorry if this sucks at this description. It's really hard to explain, but I really do love this so much, and it's extremely strong in my opinion, very powerful. I'm really curious to see what the lotion's gonna be like, but for sure I think the must buys so far are definitely the shower gel if it does smell the same as this year's, and also the spray. It's beautiful if you guys love a fresh scent. And then I also have from that same collection, this is the Fresh Coconut and Cotton, and I was so curious what this one was going to smell like. I don't always love coconut scents. It can be very hit or miss for me when it's in a fragrance. This one has notes of coconut, coastal breeze, and beachside cotton. And you guys, I love this one too. I really do. It's so good. I think this collection's even better than the Champagne Brunch collection, because it's just so wearable for every day and for those who love those clean scents. And this one, it also smells more of a laundry scent since it is part of the laundry collection. And there is coconut in there, but it's not like the sickeningly sweet coconut that's in like the tropical fragrances from summer. It's definitely more of a fresh coconut mixed with a laundry, like a laundry coconut detergent. It does have those coastal notes and the cotton notes in here, so it is a little bit beachy with the coconut. But you guys, you have to try this. Even if you don't like coconut, like I did not like Waikiki Beach coconut. I do not like the coconut line that came out last year. Those were just too much for me. This is beautiful, and it's different too than the beachfront blanket. This one's more authentic laundry scent. This one has that little bit of sweet coconut fruitiness in there that just makes it so delicious, and it's also pretty strong. I had this on for at least 4 hours last night, which is pretty good for a body spray. I could still smell it, and that's all I had on was the body spray. So I would say that's pretty good. It has a really good scent throw, and I think this is also a must-have. And then lastly, I have the Pastel Skies. So this one is, I think, in a collection possibly on its own. I just saw it on Instagram randomly the other day, and I asked my associate if they had it, and she did. So she went ahead and let me buy it, and I'm so impressed with this one as well. And it's totally a new scent to Bath & Body Works, but it does remind me of something from Victoria's Secret, which I'll share. I think this scent is coming out even later than these. So this one might be in spring too, I think, which I don't know what else is coming out in that collection. So this one is a little bit later. This packaging is beautiful. So it has this gorgeous like cotton candy sky. The notes are soft cloud berries, pink spun sugar, and coconut musk. So again, we have some coconut in here. And by the packaging and like the looks of this, you would think it would smell like cotton candy clouds or something, but it's a totally different fragrance, and it's very sweet. You guys who love those sweet scents, you're gonna absolutely love this one. And it's very soft and airy and so pretty. The scent that it reminds me of just a little bit is actually from Victoria's Secret, and it's the Pure Seduction Untamed, but it's a lot lighter than this one. Like, I feel like this one's very pungent and very loud, super fruity. I feel like they smell more like each other on the dry down, because this one just seems a lot brighter and stronger when you first spray it. But the berries in here are similar. This one just has a little bit more to it. This one's more of like the lighter, airy version, I feel like. But those, they kind of remind me of each other. I wouldn't say they're an exact dupe by any means, but I kind of like to always compare my scents to something else. That's like my best way to describe fragrances, because it can be hard sometimes to kind of point out what notes you're smelling and things, but it's really pretty. And while it seems like it would be really light on the skin, it actually lasts just as long as the coconut one that I just showed. I could smell it for at least the 4 hours that I had it on just by itself. This one is not too coconutty either. Like, I barely get the coconut in here, but I just feel like it kind of mixes in with the other notes and just perfects the scent. It's not like a strong coconut that I can really point out at all. I get more of a light berry, sugary type of scent that's different than anything I've tried, like different than Pinkberry Clouds, different than the Pink Velvet Cupcake. It's totally new to me, and I think a lot of people are going to love this one. So that's kind of my thoughts here on some of these new scents that will be coming out. I wanted to make sure I let you guys know my thoughts in case some of these do pop online this weekend. I don't know if we will see them so soon, but I have to say I'm just really impressed with the Fresh Laundry collection and the Pastel Skies. I really like all three of these scents, and I think it's, like I said, better than the Champagne Brunch collection even, especially for those of you guys who do love those sweet and kind of more fresh scents. You are gonna love this collection. But that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.